cats can't do it how I do it, I'm too cool with it. I hit the studio, go foolish and just ruin shit. They can't see me, they wanna be me. I go hard but I make it look easy. Easy, easy. I go hard but I make it look easy. I go hard but I make it look easy.
About damn fucking time that I get a shot on some real shit. Nigga, I've been waiting and I've been praying for a moment like this. And if I don't make it and I don't take it, fuck it, let it be. We learn from my own history, I'm taking opportunities. I'm riding my own fate, dog. This is straight heart, no fake cat, no fuck talk, no fuck that. I'm a grown ass nigga, no rugrats. No time for little kid raps, I'll save that for the hood rats. I'm only here to kick facts and speak some truth while I make it look easy. I can freestyle while I'm sleeping, I get freaky when I'm creeping to the top. I better not stop and I better not flop. Yeah, tick-tock, Mr. Clock, you can still suck my cock all day and night, bitch. Cause I got this major itch to make it quick. Not giving a shit what you thinking of us, man, I'm ready to bust. Wanna get all day, every day to the day that I must turn into dust and leave the planet high off life, nigga, I'm an addict, silly rabbit. Them tricks are for kids, bitch.
Audio 2.